Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. The Crossrope Workout app is one of the best apps I have used in recent times. 5 reasons why I make this statement. I hope this video reaches a lot of Crossrope app users. I would be very keen to hear their views also on the Crossrope app. And secondly, I would also like this video to reach a lot of users who aren't using the Crossrope app. I would really like to know what are the alternatives they are using. And secondly, I'm actually making this video after extensive usage of the Crossrope app. I have spent about a year on this Crossrope app and I have jumped 621,623 jumps till yesterday using the app. That is coming from 1,298 workouts. I have spent 19,125 minutes on the app and I have burnt 276,898 calories using this app. So all this information is available in the snapshot within the app in my profile. The main reason I'm making the statement, which we started the video with, is that I have jumped more after I've started using the Crossrope AMP and the Crossrope app. There are too many features in this workout app. If I have to talk about everything that I love, the video would be very long. So I would just stick to the top 5 headline features. But there are a lot of features which we won't talk in this, which I've already taken for granted, like the super fast and super smooth connection between the AMP handle and the app, the smart way in which the AMP handles switch off when we close the app, the snapshot that I get of the workout real time on my Apple Watch when I'm jumping, so that I don't have to keep going to the phone screen, and then most importantly the monstrous battery in the AMP handle. I have charged the AMP handle only once in the last 1 year. Those are features I've already taken for granted. I'm not talking much about those in this video. So let us get into the top 5 headline reasons why I feel this is the best workout app based on my extensive personal usage. Reason 1, real-time jump counts. We have been counting our jumps in our head. Till the time you experience the pleasure of delegating the task of jump rope counting to somebody else or to the app in this case, you won't realize what a big relief it is to just focus on the jumps, enjoy the jumps, possibly listening to music, and you will notice that you start jumping more because you're focusing more on the rhythm of the jumping and enjoying the experience rather than running after milestones in your head of 100 jumps, 150 jumps, or 200 jumps, or 300 jumps. You just switch on the amp, start jumping, and then once you glance at the app, you will see that you've already crossed your past personal record and all that. That has been my personal experience. So real-time jump count is the first reason I love this app. Reason 2, this is not just a jump count app or a jump rope workout app, it's a comprehensive workout app. Of course, I agree, all workout apps position themselves as alternatives to gym, no different with the case of Crossrope also. So it is not only jump rope workout, it has got multiple workout options in the app. For example, kettlebell, dumbbells, body weight, etc. And you can pick and choose the combination that you want to do a workout on that particular day or particular time. And it gives a lot of options and choices. For example, you can choose the weight of the rope that you want to go with the workout on that day. Choose the mode of exercise that you want to do resistance training, be it body weight, kettlebell or dumbbell or a combination of that. You can select the duration of the workout you want to do. You can select the intensity of the workout, low, medium, high, depending on how you feel that day or the level of your fitness. So overall, it's a comprehensive app. It is actually like a personal trainer. Just as in the case of a personal trainer or any other paid app, we can get the value out of the app or the personal trainer if we use it extensively. That is what I have been doing for the last 365 days, and I see great value in this comprehensive workout app. Reason 3 is flexibility. See, the app understands that all of us are at different levels in our fitness journey. We are at different age groups, different fitness levels, different strength levels. It is not like one set of workouts which has been thrown to all the users. It is not a case of one size fits all as far as this app is concerned. We touched upon it in the previous point also, but this point deserves a separate headline. That is why I'm showing it as the third reason why I like this app. You can pick your intensity, you can pick the choice of workout or the mode of workout you want to do. You can select the duration of your workout, and then you can program or design your own workouts to your comfort. So that was reason number 3. Reason 4, gamification and human psychology embedded into this app. This is one of the favorite reasons I like this app. There's a lot of smartness which has gone into the design of the app. The developers clearly understand the basic human psychology and the basic human need for reward and recognition. A lot of us don't talk about it openly, but all of us get an excitement from recognition and reward. So that is what this app does. Whenever we cross a milestone, the app rewards us with digital badges. Does it have a monetary value? Currently no, but it gives us a small kick to push ourselves better the next time we pick up the rope or pick up a workout. So, and there are a lot of things. There's another feature called the jump leaderboard, where you start jumping, your jumps get accumulated against your name and it gets compared with the other people on the jump leaderboard. So you will notice that you start pushing yourself a little bit more in that jump rope session, where you want to add another maybe 100 or 200 jumps in today's session, so that you move up 2-3 ranks in the jump leaderboard. All this keeps getting added into your jump bank, and you will notice, at least in my case, I noticed the quantum increase in my daily jumps actually went through the roof. A large part of it is more because of this gamification and the human psychology understanding of the app developers have on the users. It's a fantastic feature. So we have covered 4 reasons. We are left with the last reason, or the 5th reason. The 5th and the final reason, updates. Like I told in the beginning of the video, I have been using this app for about 12 months, 1 year. And I would say that in the last 12 months, there would have been some 5 to 6 top class updates. What I'm coming to say is regular and periodic updates. For example, the last 2 updates have been fantastic updates. One is called the feature called Rounds. It's a new feature added to the app. Second is a feature called Classes, which is again a new feature added to the app. I've spoken about this in detail in other videos. If you're interested, please have a look at those videos. Rounds is essentially the ability of the user of the app to design rounds of workout or sets of workouts. And Classes is another feature where top class jumpers out there act as personal trainers for learners like you and me. Getting them as personal trainers on a face-to-face basis, I don't know how practical, feasible or cost-effective it would be, but through the Crossrope app, you can get these top class jumpers to give as close as possible one-to-one personal training for you and me. So that's again another feature. So the frequency with which these new updates are coming, and these are not security patches or anything, these are like proper new feature updates which are coming into the app. It just shows that the company has got its ear close to the ground, listening to the voice of the customers and acting on recommendations and suggestions which are practically feasible. Thumbs up to the company for the constant and continuous updates, Kaizen, continuous improvement. So friends, those were the top 5 headline features why I love this app. There are many more features I really like about this app, but that will make the video very long. In the interest of keeping it short, I'll stop at top 5 features. So you may ask, and in fact you should ask, is there anything KHK that you don't like about the app, or are there any areas of improvement for the app? That is what we'll speak in this section. Come, let's go. Okay, more than saying what I don't like, I would say area of improvement. See, the first is the app membership comes at a price, and the price I think is about $100 per annum. Crossrope also offers a monthly subscription. Please check out the exact details on the website. I wouldn't comment on the pricing, whether it is high, whether it is low. Pricing is something which the company decides, and it's up to the buyer or the users to go with it or not go with it. So it's straight away, it's binary. The pricing is acceptable to you or not acceptable to you, nothing in between. So we won't comment on the pricing. But what I felt as a suggestion is that it would be nice if Crossrope thought about maybe a light membership. See, currently Crossrope only has one tier in membership. Let's call it the Crossrope Pro membership, where you pay this $100 per annum as a lump sum or a monthly fees. You get the comprehensive product suite or the comprehensive feature suite of the Crossrope app. I would suggest that if they had a 2-tier membership, like a Crossrope Lite membership and a Crossrope Pro membership, it would bring more jumpers into the ecosystem, because it is a fantastic app. There is no other app which is even coming close to what Crossrope has done, and it would be nice if the membership grew and the online community became stronger. So what would you want in a light membership? I would suggest that at least the live jump counting feature, which is the flagship feature. I wouldn't say it's a flagship feature, but one of the very good features of the app. The live jump counting feature was made available for the Crossrope Lite members. I'm sure that will open up a bigger segment. That is just a suggestion I wanted to make. In case anybody is seeing this video from Crossrope, it would be very nice for them to drop in a comment with the feasibility of such a possibility. So that is one point where I felt Crossrope can expand or improve. Okay, now we go to the second point under this section. See, I have been using this Crossrope app both on the iOS platform, which is Apple, and the Android platform. What I have noticed is the Apple platform or the iOS platform is top class. End to end, the app is fully comprehensive. All the products, features which are stated in the app advertisements are available on the Apple platform. While on Android, a lot of features take a lot of time to get rolled out. But the issue is both the Apple user and the Android user are paying the same fees. So when we are collecting the same amount from two different users, we cannot have disparity in the feature rollout or the product suite. That is my personal view. So I hope Crossrope is working on it to bring parity between both the platforms. Okay, the next point under this section is the possibility to add multiple users under one paid subscription. It's something similar to the family sharing we have in Apple, where I pay for the storage, cloud storage, and me and my family members can have their own personal storages within the subscription I have made. So it will be useful if multiple users within the family can be added to the subscription, so that, for example, me, my wife, and my child can have their own separate profiles under the same subscription, and we can do within a family a comparison of how many jumps we do, how many calories we burn. It would be nice. What I understand currently is if I want my family to jump with me, each of them have to take a paid membership. So if it is a technical possibility or a feasibility, it will be a very good feature to add. So that's it, friends. So this was a short video on what I love about the Crossrope app. I hope you found it useful. And yes, in case you are not using the Crossrope app already, I would suggest go ahead and download the app, look around the app, see what features are available, what are free, what are paid, spend some time in the app, and then take a studied decision on whether you want to go ahead and invest in the Crossrope ecosystem. So I hope you liked the video. Do leave your comment, feedback, question. It's always a pleasure to read and reply to your comments. Till we meet in the next video, bye-bye.